Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations and I welcome you all to this Mandala meditation series too. Today's Mandala and meditation bring deep clarity to your throat chakra, helping your words to flow with ease, honesty, and calm expression. As I paint each dot in real time, let your breath soften. Let your shoulders relax and let your voice, true voice, begin to awaken gently. Close your eyes softly and let them rest lightly as the mandala begins to take its form. Take a slow breath in. Feel the air glide through your throat. Exhale slowly. Feel the warmth of the release. Bring your awareness gently to the throat area, the space between your collarbones and chin. Feel its presence, feel its energy, its subtle movement as you breathe. Now imagine a clear blue river flowing through your throat. The water is crystal bright, smooth, calm, reflective. Every gentle wave carries clarity, every ripple carries expression. With each inhale, the river becomes brighter, lighter. With each exhale, its flow becomes smoother and effortless. As I create each dot on this mandala, imagine each dot sending a tiny ripple into this blue river, clearing the old blockages, softening the past wounds, washing away hesitation. Now, imagine yourself standing on the riverbank. The air is cool and fresh. Birds sing softly at a distance. There is a clear sunlight on the surface of the water. A small wooden boat floats gently nearby. That's your boat, your expression, your voice. You step into the boat and it moves effortlessly, carried by the river of truth. You glide forward slowly, peacefully, guided by the flow of your own energy. Now the river curves gently. It leads you to a place surrounded by soft blue flowers. You step onto the shore and walk towards a pool of water. You kneel beside it. You look into the water. You see your reflection. But this time, your reflection looks back at you with confidence, looks back at you with clarity, and looks back at you with openness too. Your reflection says softly, you are safe to speak, you are safe to express, and your words matter. Feel that truth sink in your heart. Now place the hand gently over your throat. Feel the warmth of your touch. Feel the energy awakening beneath your fingers. alive, open, and present. Now imagine a blue crystal sphere forming in your throat. It spins slowly at first, like a soft turn of a planet. With each breath, the sphere becomes clearer, pure, and more radiant. The sphere is your communication center, your ability to express clearly, to speak kindly, to share honestly. Now you also express confidently. Now imagine the sphere expanding its light. First filling your throat, then your neck, and then your shoulders, and then your entire upper chest. This is the energy of clarity. As I place each dot on the mandala, imagine each dot sharpening your clarity, clearing your communication, refining your expression. Now imagine someone sitting across from you, someone with whom you always wanted to speak clearly, someone you wanted to express yourself to, someone you have struggled to find the right word to speak to. You sit with them silently. There is no pressure, no urgency, only presence. You see their eyes soften. You feel your breath is slowing down. You hear your heart open. Now imagine speaking slowly from your heart, from your truth, from your calm inner voice. And they listen deeply, fully, and lovingly. Communication begins to flow, and it is gentle, kind, and clear. There is no tension now, only connection. Now imagine the blue river flowing once again through your throat, through your mind, through your body. And this river washes away. Everything that blocked your voice is washed away. It restores your natural flow. You feel clearer. You feel open. You feel aligned. Let the river continue flowing. Allow the river to wash, to cleanse, to balance. Now I'm going to give you 5 affirmations. You can either repeat them out loud or you can repeat them mentally. My communication is clear and calm. My communication is clear and calm. I speak with truth and confidence. I speak with truth and confidence. My words flow naturally and authentically. My words flow naturally and authentically. I release fear and express with clarity. I release fear and express with clarity. My voice reflects my inner truth. My voice reflects my inner truth. Take a deep, gentle breath in and exhale softly. Feel the clarity in your throat. Feel the openness in your voice. Feel the flow of communication returning to you. If this meditation helped you feel clearer, share your experience in the comments. Your clarity may help someone else find it for them.